Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been gaining a lot of attention lately: the benefits of ginger for gut health. If you've ever experienced digestive discomfort, you might be curious about natural remedies. And ginger could be a game changer. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help soothe the digestive tract, reduce bloating, and even alleviate nausea. In this video, we'll explore how incorporating ginger into your diet can enhance your digestion and overall gut health. So, whether you're a ginger enthusiast or just starting to explore its benefits, stick around as we uncover the amazing ways this spice can transform your gut health. Nutritional benefits of ginger. Ginger is not just a flavorful spice, it's packed with essential nutrients that play a significant role in promoting gut health. One of the key components is gingerol, a powerful bioactive compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These nutrients help combat oxidative stress in the digestive system, supporting overall gut function. Additionally, ginger contains various antioxidants that can protect the gut lining and reduce inflammation, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. By incorporating ginger into your meals or teas, you can harness these benefits, making it a fantastic ally for anyone looking to improve their digestive health naturally. Ginger and digestion. Ginger is a powerful ally when it comes to digestion. One of its remarkable abilities is stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more efficiently. This can lead to improved nutrient absorption and overall digestive comfort. Additionally, ginger is well known for its effectiveness in alleviating nausea and bloating, making it a go-to remedy for many. Whether you're dealing with motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, or simply feeling bloated after a meal, ginger can provide relief. It may also help with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and indigestion, making it a versatile addition to your diet for better digestive health. Gut health and immunity. The connection between gut health and overall immunity is profound. A healthy gut plays a crucial role in supporting a strong immune system, as it houses a significant portion of our immune cells. When the gut microbiome is balanced, it helps fend off harmful pathogens and reduces inflammation, which is essential for optimal immune function. Ginger contributes to this balance by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing digestive health, and supporting the immune response. Studies have shown that individuals with a well-functioning gut microbiome experience fewer illnesses and recover more quickly when they do get sick. Incorporating ginger into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost both gut health and immunity. How to incorporate ginger into your diet. Adding ginger to your daily meals is easier than you might think. You can use fresh ginger, powdered ginger, or even ginger tea to reap its gut health benefits. For a refreshing start to your day, try adding fresh ginger to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. You can also sprinkle powdered ginger into your favorite stir-fry or soup for an extra kick. Another simple option is to brew ginger tea by steeping fresh slices in hot water, which can soothe your digestive system. Don't hesitate to experiment with ginger in your cooking. Its versatility can enhance both flavor and health, making your meals delicious and gut-friendly. Potential side effects and considerations. While ginger is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions, which can manifest as skin rashes or itching. Additionally, consuming large amounts of ginger may lead to digestive discomfort, including heartburn or diarrhea. For those with certain health conditions, such as gallstones or bleeding disorders, moderation is key, as ginger can affect blood clotting and bile production. If you're unsure about how much ginger is appropriate for you, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice to ensure you enjoy the benefits of ginger safely. Conclusion. In summary, ginger is a powerful natural remedy that offers numerous benefits for gut health. From stimulating digestive enzymes to alleviating nausea and bloating, this versatile spice can significantly enhance your digestive experience. Additionally, ginger promotes a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for a strong immune system. we encourage you to incorporate ginger into your daily diet, whether through fresh slices, powdered forms, or soothing teas, to enjoy its gut health benefits. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these health tips. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle with the power of ginger.